Tropical storm watch for Jamaica discontinued. The tropical storm watch that has been in effect for Jamaica is being discontinued with immediate effect, as conditions associated with a tropical storm are no longer expected in respect of Tropical Storm Ian. Over the past several hours, the tropical storm has drifted a bit to the south, taking it farther from the coastline and placing the island outside of the projected range of tropical storm force winds. At 2 p.m., the center of Tropical Storm Ian was located near latitude 14.2 degrees north and longitude 75.8 degrees west, or about 435 kilometers or 270 miles south-southeast of Kingston, or 405 kilometers or 251 miles south of Moran Point in Jamaica. Ian is now moving towards the west near 26 kilometers or 16 miles per hour, and this general motion is expected to continue through tonight. A turn toward the northwest is forecast on Sunday, followed by a north-northwestward turn on Monday. Maximum sustained winds remain near 75 kilometers or 45 miles per hour with higher gusts. However, significant strengthening is forecast during the next few days. Ian is expected to become a hurricane late Sunday evening while southwest of Jamaica and moving farther away towards the Cayman Islands. Jamaica is currently well outside of the range of the tropical storm force winds, which extend outward up to 95 kilometers or 60 miles from the center. On its forecast track, the center of Tropical Storm Ian is forecast to remain south of Jamaica and continue moving westward away from the island through Saturday night and Sunday morning. Ian will then pass near or over the Cayman Islands on Sunday night and early Monday before approaching western Cuba on Monday. While the tropical storm remains over the west central Caribbean, it will continue to produce a large area of showers and thunderstorms that could impact the weather over Jamaica through Monday. Locally, heavy rainfall could produce flash floods mainly over low-lying and flood-prone areas of southern and eastern parishes, and residents are urged to remain alert. Small craft operators, including fishers from the Keys and Banks, are reminded to remain in safe harbor until wind and sea conditions have returned to normal.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!